What's up, what's up? And if you are subscribed, this is your third video for the day. Short one on Clove, my normal midweek market recap, and then now. So shout out if you guys are subscribed. We're going to talk about AMC. Is it different? This one's different. In my live stream, someone said, don't listen to him. My AMC friends, don't listen to this guy. It's just his opinion. Trey talked about infiltration today. That was brought to you by Santa. I want to believe it's the original Saint Nick. So I'm really hoping he comes with the red bag and gifts. All jokes aside, I wanted to show you guys something, right? Because everyone's talking about how AMC is different. It's not a pump and dump. This one's different from all the other ones. Aside from AMC already doing literally just this. You know what? Let's bring up two AMCs. So here's AMC. Let's bring up AMC again. Let's just scoot AMC back. We're about right to that candle, I'd say. Exaggerate it. Now, I'm sure this time's going to be different. It's not like all the other ones. Now, this isn't... A lot of you new guys love to just throw around words and stuff like that. Like, just stop. Right? This isn't FUD. But to the other guys that want to take trading serious and maybe go to the moon, keep your position, but try to look at this with an open mind, right? Maybe you'll make it to the next trade. I'm not saying you won't or anything like that, but just hear me out, okay? Because what I talk about a lot are characteristics, and things are this is a characteristic of this. This is a characteristic of that. This looks like a pump and dump. AMC was already in this. We got the nice little pump up, right? And then we got the little lower high section, and then it sold off, or well, right here. Then it sold off, and then it just continued to sell off, and it just went down all the way back down. Now, of course, it's not going to do it this time, but let's bring out a couple more. Okay. Here's AMC. Let's bring up BB because AMC is different. So let me grab this at the end. Surely it's different than that one. Let's bring up one more. Don't worry, guys. Characteristically, these are it's just a weird coincidence. Okay, how identical do these need to look? If this one is so unique, if AMC is just so unique to itself, and this one's going to the moon, the other ones are not, those are just, no, just AMC. And anybody talking bad is FUD. Why do these look so similar? Why has AMC already done this before? Why have I been able to talk about this so confidently? I've seen a whole lot of pump and dumps. Now, I will agree with Wall Street bets, kind of getting popular, and people are. So if you guys diamond hand, hold it. You guys are affecting it. You're essentially moving the shares from the float. You're locking it up, and that will drive the price up. It's less supply, more demand. But what this chart tells me right now is a lot of you guys are typing diamond hands, but your account says something different. So regardless of what my account does, I'm not even in AMC right now. But I wanted to point this out to you guys. AMC's already specifically had this exact move already. Looks just like a few of the other pump and dumps right now. But every one of these has a story, and everybody thinks it is just so different. Everyone thinks their ticker's going to the moon, not the other one. This one's going to be the one. Why are you not in all three of these? Why is AMC so different? Maybe it is, but I wanted to point this out because this is a very, and I mean very, 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 very common setup. It's called a pump and dump. But I will say, because I know some of you guys are getting really offended right now. At least GameStop looks a little different. GameStop, straight pump and dump. Hang on, at least it came back a couple times. Same move, came back up. So not to say you can't ever come back up. You can't have multiple, but this is why shorts jump on. This is why they pile on so much when it spikes up like that, because this is a very common move. And you guys are just so wrapped up in your social media story that you think you're physically at war. Like you are mentally stressed out, like you are at a war, like you're holding something up. It's just your phone. Your phone is in some shares. And what we're going through right now, pump and dump. They just don't last. This is why the bears pile on. And it would last if you guys would diamond hand hold this thing, never sell, and convince all your friends to do the same. You need to figure out how many shares there are, and you guys need to buy all of them. At that point, your price predictions would come true. So while you guys are saying diamond hands, the chart is saying something else. So if anything, take this video as an eye-opener, or maybe it's time to recruit some more apes. Because ultimately that will be what drives it. So again, AMC, does it hold? A lot of you guys are swearing by this. I said it shouldn't break. As long as it doesn't break 41, everyone's saying, nope, it is not going to break 45. And I'm all about it if it does. I might even take AMC. If tomorrow, if AMC doesn't dip down and we hold right here, I might actually grab a position in AMC just for it. Maybe there is another. Maybe this one will be different. So anyway, I want to do a quick video for you guys. We talked about the mentorship, about just how identical they are and just characteristics of it. I get everybody in the chat is saying one thing, but the chart is saying what it has every other time. So again, just see it with an open mind. This isn't FUD, shut up if you're one of those guys. This is simply showing you guys what's out there. Like, you're so wrapped up on Facebook and StockTwits and all the other ones, like, and you need to be wrapped up in your bank account. Your bank account, your trading account, and how you're going about that. Anyway, if this didn't offend you, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.